Well, my dad has this gas light. It says gas light by, I can't really read what it's by anymore. It looks like it says ARKLA maybe. But anyway, it's a gas light in my dad's front yard, and the mantle doesn't burn very bright anymore. I think because they're just garbage mantles. So I'm going to take this thing apart and clean it. You can see it's not real bright. And put the correct mantle in it. So let me get the gas turned off and I'll show you the correct mantle. This is the mantle that's in there, and they're just all big baggy things and they don't work very well. And this is the mantle the light should have. So we're going to put that in. The gas company used to give those to you for free, and then like the Edison light bulb, some retailer whined about not being able to make money on their mantles, so they stopped giving them out, and now these ones are garbage. They don't light very bright. I'll show you the difference with them out of the box. Here they are out of the box. You can kind of see the difference. Garbage, good. So yeah, it's just so much stuff there, it just doesn't burn bright. And this one, this style burns quite bright. So we're going to get that light apart and get the new mantle on there, and I'll show you a little video of what it looks like lit done. Alright, I'll turn the gas. This is for the gas light. That's the regulator for the light and the tube that goes to the light, and this is the shut-off valve for it. So I'll turn the gas back on, and then we'll go out and light it. The light does have a valve on it, but it's been stuck for like 30 years, so we just turn the gas on and off there for the light. That's the shut-off valve in there for the light that we can no longer turn, but new mantle's in and it's clean, and I just use a little lighter to light it. The gas is on, so just light it by and it's lit. Very carefully close the cover so I don't break the mantle. There we go, clean new mantle, lit up nice and bright like it originally used to be. Looks good. Well, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and again, thank you for watching.